While he may have sung 2-3 songs, all right, we are now moving on to the other big story of the day, and those are live visuals that we are getting for you from the national capital, where former Aam Aadmi Party leader Kailash Gehlot has joined the BJP. There you can see him joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, and on the stage we can see, in fact, Kailash Gehlot standing next to Manohar Lal Khattar. And there you see him less than 24 hours after he quit the Aam Aadmi Party and resigned as a minister in Delhi. Former Aam Aadmi Party leader Kailash Gehlot is joining the BJP. In his terse resignation letter, in fact, Kailash Gehlot cited Times Now's Operation Sheesh Mahal investigation and had in fact even said that there are many embarrassing and awkward controversies like Sheesh Mahal which are now making everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi. In fact, not just Sheesh Mahal, in his letter, former Delhi minister also spoke about Aam Aadmi Party's unfulfilled Yamuna cleanup promises.
केंद्र में मंत्री और हमारे सांसद भाई श्री हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी, नेता प्रतिपक्ष दिल्ली विधानसभा श्री विजेंद्र गुप्ता जी, आदरणीय अनिल भाई, उपस्थित सभी मीडिया के साथियों, श्रीमान कैलाश गहलोत जी का भारतीय जनता पार्टी में हम स्वागत करते हैं, अभिनंदन करते हैं। और जैसा अभी अनिल भाई ने कहा, कैलाश जी 2 बार विधायक रहे, 2015 में पहली बार चुनाव जीता, 2017 से आप लगातार दिल्ली मंत्रिमंडल के महत्वपूर्ण सदस्यों में से एक रहे। पेशे से आप एडवोकेट हैं। युवाओं में और गांव देहात में अपने बेहतरीन काम के लिए जाने जाते हैं और दिल्ली के मूल रूप से गांव के निवासी हैं, पूरा परिवार। और गांव देहात का एक बड़ा चेहरा आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी की नीतियों से प्रभावित होकर वो आज हमारे बीच प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं और साथ ही ये उम्मीद भी करता हूं कि कैलाश जी का जो अनुभव है वो दिल्ली की जनता के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ मिलकर और उपयोगी होगा, महत्वपूर्ण होगा। आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, बहुत बहुत आभार।
सभी को नमस्कार। आज आम आदमी पार्टी के एक बहुत बड़ा चेहरा माननीय कैलाश गहलोत जी हमारे परिवार में शामिल हुए हैं। इससे एक बात स्पष्ट होता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी में आत्मविश्वास टूट गया है। इसके कारण है क्योंकि लगातार 10 साल तक झूठे वादे देते रहते थे, काम नहीं किए हैं दिल्ली में, जिसकी बार वो काम के बारे बात ही नहीं करते हैं। यमुना के बारे इतने बार वादे दिए थे, पकड़े गए हैं ऐसे बहुत सारे झूठे वादे।
Let's now go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pragya, good afternoon. You know, speculation, of course, was there as, the way Kailash Gehlot, in fact, had written that letter. Now, I want to understand from you, how big is this a gain for the BJP and how big is this a loss for the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi elections?
Well, there are psychological battles that you also play with the opposition, which is that you take away their important leaders and who had been faced in your government when you are a ruling party. And this is one of such, incident. And it's also a very big setback for Aam Aadmi Party, especially at a time when they're going for the election and there is a lot of doubt over their credibility of being transparent, of being non-corrupt as well. But look at the significance of Kailash Gehlot joining. On the dais when he is joining, there is also a union minister, Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar, who is present to ensure that he will also be seen. A top minister in the Modi government is there when Kailash Gehlot is joining. that also says that BJP is very serious this time about the elections, and this is such a big setback to the Aam Aadmi Party that BJP would want to publicize it more and more. Obviously, a message has gone into the public that even their own ministers are casting doubt, aspersion on their honesty, and it is on the basis of honesty that the Aam Aadmi Party came into power. They also launched this. Remember, it all started with a movement against corruption as well.
Right.
So all of that is part of that. And when Kailash Gehlot is joining, he has also cast aspersion on their honesty. He has also alleged several irregularities on none other than the national convener, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and
Right.
it is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal who is the face of this party. So it's a direct attack on Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Kailash Gehlot joining. He had been a finance minister, home minister. He has held many portfolios in Kejriwal government. So
Right.
if he is joining here and also by
Right.
making a statement that he had made,
Right.
it also shows that what BJP had been saying, it
Okay.
is validated now, and this will be used by BJP in
All right.
upcoming polls in Delhi.
Absolutely. This is definitely more ammunition to the BJP ahead of the Delhi elections towards the Aam Aadmi Party. Pragya, thank you for the moment for joining us. Let me now go across to my colleague Tejshri as well, joining us for more on this. Tejshri, could you explain to our viewers the genesis of this rift really between Arvind Kejriwal and Kailash Gehlot, and how has been the response of Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, you see, as far as this entire thing is concerned of Kailash Gehlot tendering his resignation first from the primary membership and then from the cabinet. So let us start from the day when Arvind Kejriwal was lodged into Tihar jail, went to Tihar jail. At that particular point of time, responsibilities were distributed among several senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. At that particular point of time also, there was a lot of, indrift within the party so as to who has got which kind of responsibility. Post that Arvind Kejriwal came out of Tihar jail, and post that we saw that Atishi was made or announced as the chief minister of the national capital. You remember that we also reported that Kailash Gehlot was also one of the face who was an option to be nominated or announced as the face of chief minister, but he could not be. And
Tejshri,
also,
sorry, I'm just interrupting you there. We have to cut across to this briefing by Manohar Lal Khattar. Let's listen in.
चुनाव आ रहे हैं, निश्चित रूप से दिल्ली में हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नाते सरकार बनाएंगे, ये एक हमको पूरी उम्मीद जगी है कि इस नाते से हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। पुनः आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आदरणीय श्री कैलाश गेहलोत जी से मेरा आग्रह है कि यहाँ उपस्थित मीडिया के साथियों को संबोधित करें।
हमारे बीच भारत सरकार में मंत्री खट्टर साहब, विजयंत पांडा जी दिल्ली के प्रभारी, दुष्यंत गौतम जी, हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी, वीरेंद्र सचदेवा जी, विजेंद्र गुप्ता जी एलओपी, अनिल बलून जी, जितने भी यहाँ मीडिया बंधु उपस्थित हैं, मेरे साथ आए हुए जितने भी दोस्त और बुजुर्गगण हैं, सभी को प्रणाम। आम आदमी पार्टी छोड़कर बीजेपी की मेंबरशिप ग्रहण की खट्टर साहब की प्रेजेंस में, और मैं कह सकता हूं कि मेरे लिए ये कोई आसान कदम नहीं था। अन्ना जी के दिन से हम पार्टी से जुड़े, और लगातार दिल्ली वासियों के लिए काम करते आए, एज ए एमएलए भी और एज ए मिनिस्टर भी। और सही पूछे तो कुछ लोग सोचते होंगे कि ये ओवरनाइट कुछ डिसीजन हो गया या किसी के दबाव में ये मैंने निर्णय लिया। हर एक व्यक्ति जो ये सोच रहा है कि किसी के दबाव में मैंने निर्णय लिया, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि मैंने आज तक किसी के दबाव में आके कोई काम नहीं किया।
And earlier, viewers, when Aam Aadmi Party convener and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was questioned about Kailash Gehlot and his decision, he said, "Jahan jana hai jao." Listen in.
उनके वो फ्री हैं, जहाँ मर्जी जो मुझे स्वागत कर सकते। उनके वो फ्री हैं, जहाँ मर्जी जो मुझे स्वागत कर सकते। उनके वो फ्री हैं, जहाँ मर्जी जो मुझे स्वागत कर सकते। उनके वो फ्री हैं, जहाँ मर्जी जो मुझे स्वागत कर सकते।
And with this, we will slip into another very, very short break. More news and updates coming your way on the other side. Stay with us.